Hello everyone, this is Wei, and today we're going to talk about OpenLive3D, and we will going to briefly touch the streaming settings that I'm using. Right, so for the setup, we will have the software setup first. These are the things that you will have to download. You will need to have a Visual Studio to create the VRM file, the 3D files of yourself or of the models that you will want. And then after you get the VRM file, you can use OpenLive3D, the app that I developed, to turn that VRM file into an animated 3D object. And we do that by connecting the camera information of the webcam that you have, and then use that information to connect the movement of yourself, of your facial expression, and to the VRM model that you have. And after you have the 3D model animated, you can use OBS Studio, the black and white icon on the right, and you can use OBS Studio to capture the windows of OpenLive3D and turn that into a live stream to connect to YouTube or connect to Twitch. And we'll also talk about the hardware settings that we have. So often I will only have one single laptop. Sometimes I will have one extra monitor. Depends on where I am. Currently I just have one laptop. And with the laptop or with the extra monitor, we will place different windows in different places so that we can start a live stream. So let's quickly have a look at this screenshot. So this is a screenshot, that's why you're not seeing anything moving. So we open the OpenLive3D app. We will open the app on the bottom right corner, right? So we'll have the app open, and often that will be in the background instead of in the foreground that you're currently seeing. And in the center of the laptop, this is the laptop monitor. In the center of the laptop, we will open whatever we're developing or whatever we're playing, right? So if we're playing a game, that would be the game. If we are writing something on our PowerPoint, we're doing some design, we'll open the PowerPoint. If we are writing code, we'll open the coding IDE, and this will be we will interact with the most in the center of our laptop. In the bottom left corner, there is a small space. If we only have one single laptop and we are streaming, we will put the YouTube live chat there in the small space that we have. But if we have one extra laptop, which is a better environment setup, we will put the YouTube live chat also in the bottom left corner of that extra monitor. You can see that we will have the OBS Studio open on the bottom right corner if we have the extra monitor, and that OBS Studio is the center of the control. So we will control what we'll be seeing. We'll be seeing a PowerPoint or the OpenLive3D app. We'll also have some cover pages. We also have Safari testing environment. We also have Chrome testing environment. As you can see, the Chrome testing environment is currently open on the top right. That is the local 8080 Chrome testing environment of OpenLive3D. And we also have the coding and also have the PowerPoint that we're currently opening. And on the top left, we'll put YouTube settings. Currently, as you are seeing, is the analytics of the live stream of YouTube. Basically, I'll put whatever YouTube streaming is required, or whatever YouTube setting is needed on the top left corner. And that's about it. That's about the settings that I'm using. Once you have everything set up, you can start to connect the animations of your 3D models using OBS Studio and connect the information to YouTube or connect the information to Twitch. And that's it. Thank you. Bye bye.